Hello and welcome to this Power BI video. We are continuing our tutorial series, and today what we are going to do is we are going to compare day data versus previous day data or versus next day data. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, let's plot date wise data. So take a date. Let's take sales. We have data here from November 5th. So now what we are going to do is, so Power BI provide two time intelligence function which we can use for it. So what we are going to do is simply we are going to try those out, and let's call it previous day and calculate sales. We are going to use our existing measure, and you are going to use previous day, date from date, and we want continuous date, so we always use date table so that we don't have to do much of the hard work around it. If what happens if date is not continuous, it will error out, so better always have date from date table. Okay, so our day behind, you can see it's going a day behind. So what's the next day function? So very similar, same way. Next day, calculate again sales, next day, date, continuous date from date table. We have made the wrong spelling, let's correct it. Okay, so drag it. Okay, so now you've seen this is because we are talking about next day, so it has went a day before and giving us the data. See, the data is null here, and so we are getting data. Now, are there other approaches? So let's try, like we have done these trailing measures. So let's create a trailing measure, a day behind trailing measure. So we'll call it a day behind or day behind measure. So calculate sales, and here what we are going to use, we are going to use date add, and we are going to give date add date, and what we are going to give -1 day. So we are saying okay, dates has to go a day behind. Okay, so day behind, how does it behave? Okay, and let's put it near to the previous day so we can compare. Okay, same result. So similarly, day ahead, calculate sales, and we'll say date add, +1 day. So we got day ahead now. Let's put it same results. So you can see that we had a previous day measure, we have a next day measure, and all of them are working pretty good. So very simple for the day intelligence, nothing you have to do. You have previous day, you have next day, you can have trailing day, or you can have ahead day. All these measures, create these outs. Let us know if you want to have any other videos around time intelligence. Thanks for watching this video.